Hey there, keto enthusiasts. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect keto burger. It's low carb, delicious, and super easy to make. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the ingredients. For the patty, you'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 egg, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, salt, and pepper to taste. Now mix all these ingredients in a bowl until they're well combined. Form the mixture into burger patties and set them aside. Now, heat a skillet over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of olive oil. Once it's hot, place your patties in the skillet. Cook each side for about 4-5 minutes, or until it reaches your desired doneness. Remember, a good sear is key to that perfect burger flavor. While the patties are cooking, let's prepare our toppings. For a keto-friendly option, try using lettuce leaves instead of a traditional bun. You can also add avocado slices, crispy bacon, cheddar cheese, and some sugar-free pickles. Don't forget a dollop of keto-friendly mayonnaise or mustard for that extra kick. Once your patties are cooked to perfection, it's time to assemble your burger. Place a lettuce leaf on your plate, followed by the patty, cheese, avocado, bacon, pickles, and another lettuce leaf on top. And there you have it, your perfect keto burger. Let's recap quickly. We mixed our ground beef with eggs and seasonings, cooked the patties, and assembled our burger with keto-friendly toppings. It's a simple, yet delicious meal that fits right into your keto lifestyle. Remember, the beauty of a keto burger is its versatility. Feel free to experiment with different toppings and sauces to find your perfect combination. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more keto-friendly recipes.